All right, hi guys, Mrs. Tab, first grade at Stetson. I am here to show you how to log on to Google Classroom to get the information that your teacher wants to give you. Okay, so first you're going to have a class code. You're going to go to your email to where your class code is. This is just my class code, so your teacher will give you your own class code. After this, I'm gonna copy and paste it. I'm gonna highlight it. I'm gonna do Command C to copy it. Then I'm going to go over here to the waffle that's right next to your Google picture. And I'm going to go down until I see a green icon that has a couple people in it. So I am going to click on that, Google Classroom. And then I am going to go up to the plus sign where it says create or join a class. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to click on join. This is where I'm going to Command V or paste my class code into that, and then I'm going to click join. Our internet's been slow. Okay, so this is just Mrs. Tab's class Google Classroom. So now you should be into the Google Classroom, and if you are not, possibly you might have to sign out of a different Google Classroom if you have an older student who is already enrolled in a class. You don't unenroll from the class, but you just take yourself out for the moment or sign out to sign your other child in. So here, this is where we will be posting daily messages and all of that. So this is my stream. There's not really much on it because we just made it. Then you will go to classwork. So every teacher's will look just a little bit different. At the top of ours, we have attendance. So this would be something that you would need to do every single day. After that, there would be lesson plans or some sort of activity that your teacher would have you do. So just specifically for first grade, you would click on the lesson plans for the week. And then here they are. So this is what you would do on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. We will put some extension activities down here just in case you want something extra to do. And then at the top, we need to keep in mind that we need to still be getting 60 minutes of ST Math and 60 minutes of Lexia. And then on Mondays, we will have, or I guess it will stay there every day, but on Mondays, it would be cool to watch the Camp Timber video that we have picked for the week. So I'm going to X out of that and go right back to my classwork. So going down, I have written, and every teacher does it just a little bit different. So ST Math, which is our required math app. Then there's Lexia, which is also required. Zern is where you're going to do your daily math lessons, and I'll make a video here in just a little bit. And then Epic, Mayon, and then there's Go Noodle on here if you guys need brain breaks. And then underneath here, and like I said, every teacher does it just a little bit different, but in our class, I have linked the Stetson e-learning website, and then I also have linked the Stetson e-learning website just for first grade. And then over here, it just shows you might have this, you might not. All the people who have joined. Other than that, please on the stream, please post questions so that I can respond publicly. So the reason for that is I'm trying to refrain from answering the same question a lot of times when we can just post it here and everybody can have the information that they need. I will post my morning messages on there, so there might be a question so the students can log on and comment their answer to the question. It is important for you to log on and have your child log on with their Google password first so that we can assign guardians, which would be you, to their specific account so that you guys match up together. If you have any other questions, please reach out to your teacher. Thank you guys so much. Happy e-learning.